Hi, and today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove your face on Roblox app or Roblox, sorry, application. So first of course, all you need to do if you have the Roblox application on your PC, that will be great. But if you don't have it, you'll need to go and install it from any browser you're currently using. So all you need to do, just go to your browser, go to the URL and type roblox.com and hit the enter button. That will take you to a page. From that page, you'll need to log into your account, and if you don't have an account, you can create your account with providing them with some normal or some few informations like your birthday to confirm that you are more than 13 years old. So of course, when you do that, I advise you to verify your email or your phone number. So of course, if you verify your email or phone number, you'll be able to reset your password whenever you lost it or something, and even to prevent yourself from getting hacked. So if you get hacked, you will be able to reset your password. And of course, if you verify your email, you will get a free hat or a free item. So who don't want a free item, right? So anyway, when you do that, they will provide you a download link. Just go and click at that link, download it, then install it into your PC and run it into your PC. So of course, then you will need to log in again when you download it or when you open it into your PC. Then that will be actually your home or your main screen on the game. So of course here you may have different games depending on what you recently played, what Roblox suggested to you, what's your friend, what's your username, and etc. And of course all you need to do now is just go and click at your profile picture at the bottom or at the left here, not even the bottom. So was as customized, so you will not find yourself here, you'll find yourself right here. So from here you'd like to click at customize, and of course from here, you would like to go to hair and body and go to the classical faces. So by default, you'll have here too. You'll have this smile face and this face, of course. And from here, you can edit to whatever you want. So of course, select it. Or if you want to even do not choose any of them, just deselect it. If it's selected, click at this once. And as you can see, they will give you the default face, which is kind of you kind of removed your face. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.